Hi everyone, welcome to the Easy Drawing Time channel. Today, we're going to draw a colorful picture of Peppa Pig, Rebecca Rabbit, and her pregnant mom. Let's start by drawing Peppa Pig. We'll draw her eyes, head, nose, hands, and mouth in the shape of an O. Next, draw Peppa Pig body. Finally, we'll draw her tail. Amazing! Drawing Rebecca Rabbit, we'll draw her eyes, head, nose, and mouth in the shape of an O. She looks very excited. Next, we'll draw two rabbit ears on top of her head and her body and arms. We'll make it look like she's pointing to something. Finally, we'll draw her tail and legs. Now, let's draw Rebecca's mom. We'll draw her eyes, head, nose, smiling mouth, and cheek. We'll also draw two rabbit ears on top of her head and her big belly. She's pregnant. Next, we'll draw her tail and a baby rabbit in her womb. I love my pen. The baby's eyes are closed. How cute! Rebecca is going to be a big sister. To make our beautiful drawing more visible, we're going to use a black marker. Let's start coloring first. We'll color Peppa Pig's skin with pink color. Then, we'll use red and black for her mouth. We'll paint her cheek with different pink color. Finally, we'll use red for her dress. We'll color Rebecca Rabbit's skin with cream color. I love my pen. We'll paint her nose and cheek with different pink markers. Then, we'll use red and black for her mouth. Finally, we'll use light blue for her dress. Now, let's color Rebecca's mom. We'll use the same marker for her face as we did for Rebecca. I love my pen. We'll paint her nose and cheek with different pink markers. Then, we'll use red and black for her mouth. We'll color her dress yellow. Next, we'll color the baby cream and pink. She's going to be a girl. She has a pink blanket around her. Now, let's color her belly with this pink marker. Finally, we'll add a little green to the ground. Awesome! If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video.